The laser welding machine is our automatic solution for turbine housing. The system adopts a robot manipulator, laser system, off-gas treatment system, automatic laser welding fixture, and electrical control system. The welding process is as follows: loading the workpiece manually, touch the clamping button to fixate the workpiece, touch sending button, the workpiece moves inside the machine. The visual inspection checks if the workpiece is in perfect condition. The workpiece reaches welding position. The robot manipulator inspects workpiece visually and welds. The welded workpiece is then pressure tested. The workpiece is sanded. The workpiece moves out of the machine and is released. The laser welding adopted by this machine is of high efficiency and precision. The finished workpiece is of small deformation.